Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. As promised, I'm going to make for you today another layout using everything you have at hand without buying absolutely any scrapbooking supply. Today I'm going to use this background paper that I show you I made with wrapping paper roll. I'm going to use this picture and this cardboard that is a piece of a box as a matting paper. These pieces I showed you the other day are from this chevron wrapping paper. This is from the Dollar Tree, and this piece also I'm going to use it as a border. I cut out these embellishments from another wrapping paper, and I'm also going to use this measuring tape. So let's start. First, I'm going to distress the border of this matting cardboard, in fact, with the color pencil, as I did in the other layout that I showed you in my previous video. Very quickly. Like this. This is an irregular border, so I'm trying to follow the cut. Okay. Now I'm going to add the picture. As I said, you can use any glue that you have at home. You have to press firmly, and it needs time to dry. I don't have the time here, but anyways, it's going to work. Now I'm going to add the photo corners. One here. And the other one here. Of course, you're going to take more time to do it better, but well. Okay. Now let's see. I want this to be placed like so, but I'm going to add this first. So let's add the picture and the background. In my scrap room I have old washcloths that I use to clean my hands, and also baby wipes that I use to clean my hands whenever I do this, like spreading the glue or stuff like that. Okay. Here we go. Now, this is a 41 years old cake, so I'm going to choose this part of the measuring tape. And I'm going to glue it to the background. Here. And then I'm going to add this border. Of course, also in this case you can do this better, having more time. I'm trying to hurry up. Okay. Then I'm going to add this border here. And then I'm going to make a mark. Sorry for the shaking of the camera. Let's say like so. Okay. I have to cut this part. You see, I have made some marks here because I didn't have my hands completely clean, so I should have brought the washcloths or the baby wipes, but you are not going to do this. And now I'm going to add these embellishments. Maybe here. And this other one, let's see, like here, yeah. And that's mainly it. Of course, again, you can add more things if you have some other things you would like to add. You can add some stars and add them here and here, whatever, it's up to you. But I wanted to give you another idea to start scrapbooking without spending any money on scrapbooking supplies. So this is really simple, really easy and quick, very quick. And you can have a layout very, very pretty, I think, without spending money. Again, I hope this inspires you to start scrapbooking. This is an amazing hobby. I love it. It's something I can't stop doing whenever I have the time. And if this inspired you, if you liked it, please give me a thumbs up, as I always say. Become a subscriber if you're not one already. Ring the bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. And thanks again so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Hope to see you in my next one. Bye bye.